Hey y'all, what's up? Back with another one. Yeah, today, y'all, we trying this here. Something new. Yeah, yeah, we trying this here. Cheetos time. Mm-hmm. Trying this Cheetos chicken sandwich. But before we do, amen. I got some sauce here. Adjust this for a second. Yeah, some barbecue sauce. And can y'all see them Cheetos? Yeah. Okay, and I did a twist, put my own cheese on it. I'm gonna dip this in here. And this sauce right here. Mm. This ain't gonna be long. It's okay. Got my bread. Excuse me. Okay. We 1 minute in. Got to get y'all a bite. Y'all might like it better with the sauce. Oh, it's crunchy. Mmm. Ooh, excuse me. Nothing like H2O. It's okay. It's good that it's for a limited time, though. Would I buy it again? Mm-mm. Because to me, I only taste the Cheetos with the chicken. So the chicken overwhelms the taste of the Cheetos. But it's okay. Scale of 1 to 5, I give it a 3. Have y'all tried it yet? Told y'all this gonna be quick. We're 4 minutes in. This probably be 6 minutes, if that. Y'all take a bite of that Cheetos. Seems like when you get down to the end, It's the best. Mm. Mm. I froze this. Ooh. That is the bomb. So delicious. Got some other videos coming. I haven't been able to upload them. Been having difficulties. But everything's all good now. But this was okay. Have y'all tried it? The Cheetos chicken sandwich? Then leave some comments. Let me know how y'all liked it. I really don't like crispy, crunchy chicken sandwiches. And this makes it really crispy and crunchy. That's probably the only thing. Other than that, it's okay. Told y'all it's gonna be quick. And that's it. That's all. I'll be getting back with y'all. If y'all like this video, thumbs up. Leave some comments. Don't forget to share, because sharing is what? Sharing is caring. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I pop up with something new, which I will be popping up with something new real soon for y'all. Okay? But this was that. That chicken Cheetos that everybody's talking about. This was that. It was okay. All right, y'all. Peace. Love y'all. And I'm out.